the sound of that. Alright, let's go, we're breaking the ground. Move over, we're taking the ground. Ain't gonna slow up, you got to show up. Ready, set, here we go. We ready to roll. We ready, we ready. We ready to roll. Let's turn it up, start the show. Here we go.
I come home in the morning like my mother says when you
Si Cassandra, ano po, parang taong bahay lang. Bahay, school. Wala po akong nagiging problema sa kanya kasi bahay, school nga lang po siya, hindi po siya gala. Ayun po yung maipagmamalaki ko sa kanya. Happy birthday, Cassandra! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday!
Hi Cassandra! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
oh daddy dear, you know you're
Yung bata na yan, ano yan, napakasipag yan, napakadaling utusan, napakadaling
Tawagin mo
utusan.
pa lang yung pangalan niya.
Happy birthday, Cassandra!
Natupad na rin yung pangarap mo, Dra. Sana sa pag-aaral mo makatapos ka.
Usapan kami niya na hanggat hindi siya nakaka-graduate,
Bawal
bawal
muna
muna
siya
mag-boyfriend.
Happy birthday, Cassie! She got big brown eyes, tangled hair.
Happy birthday, Cassie! We love you!
She got a toothbrush as a microphone, belting out the Rolling Stones. I'm the last one to stop her. Can't believe that I got her. We get so close.
Sa pag-aaral,
Wala
matataas
kaming
grade
masabi
niyan.
sa wala kaming masabi sa
Wala
pag-aaral.
Matataas grade niyan. Then, taong bahay lang yan.
So,
Crazy beautiful. Isn't she strange, strange and wonderful? And I think I love her more than
Happy 18th birthday, Cassie!
Happy birthday, Cassandra!
She got a classic style that's all her own. A smile you can hear through the telephone. And she says she's a rebel, but she's way too sentimental. And she's precious even when she's mad, gets angry.
sabi ko nga sa kanya kahit wala sa honor, basta okay yung grade. Tapos nag-aaral ng mabuti. Pero ngayon nga, gagraduate siya ng grade 12, kasali siya sa
It's a
honor.
little bit much, I know.
Sigawan
I do.
for Miss Cassandra
Isn't she
Rubino.
crazy beautiful? Isn't she strange, strange and wonderful? And I think I love her more than
Happy birthday. Alam mo na yung usapan natin, hanggat di ka pa nakaka-graduate, bawal mo na ang love life. Yun.
crazy beautiful. Isn't she strange, strange and wonderful? And I think I love her more than
Happy birthday, Bax! Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo and sana ma-enjoy mo yung mga regalo na dinala namin sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Cassie! Sana busugin mo kami ngayong araw. Happy birthday!
wild, a little bit bad, a little bit oh. And I never
Sana hindi na mawala yung streak natin and sana mag-grow and continue ka pa to prosper sa college and sa adulthood. Happy birthday, Bax!
crazy beautiful. Isn't she strange, strange and wonderful?
Happy birthday, Be! Mag-aaral ng mabuti. Sana makapagtapos ka sa iyong pag-aaral. Nandito lang kami ni Papa mo. Lagi nakasuporta sa iyo sa lahat ng mga pangarap mo at mga plano mo sa buhay.
Crazy beautiful. Isn't she strange, strange?
Nandito lang kami ni Papa mo. Lagi nakasuporta sa iyo sa lahat ng mga pangarap at plano mo.
More than I understand.
I just want to remind you na you can always run to us ni Candice. Yun lang, I love you.
I'm so proud of the woman you're becoming. Thank you for being my milk tea buddy, my silent strength, and one of my favorite person in this world.
More than I even understand.
Happy birthday, Cassandra. We love you.